फोटो नहीं आएगी,
Yes, sir.
डिवाइस अलग है जिसमें मैं लिखता हूँ.
Right. Understood, sir.
बट आई नीड वन वीडियो ऑफ यू. ओके, मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे डालना है.
Right, sir. सर आज नहीं सर, मंडे को कर लेना.
हाँ, फिर कभी.
Right, sir.
सो इंडाइसिस एंड लोगेरिथम. तो मुझे पूरी एमएल अग्रवाल तो नहीं मिली, बट ये चैप्टर मिला है. सो दैट्स वाई उसी को हम थरली फॉलो करेंगे. ओके. हेलो.
Yeah. Right, sir.
ओके. So anything that is written in this form is called indices. What? Huh?
Sir, could you repeat?
Anything that is written in this form is called what?
Sir, an exponent.
Here in this case, a raised to m.
Sir, A is the base, M is the power.
Very good. So m is called exponent or power or what? Index. Okay. Alright. And this a is called base. What it is called? Base. Okay. So in order to solve the difficult problems, you are required to have the knowledge of the properties of exponents, okay, or indices. All right. So let's discuss properties of exponent or indices. All right. So what's the first property? This one. A raised to m multiplied by a raised to n can be written as what? Do you know how we can write this thing? A raised to m multiplied by a raised to n.
A raised to M plus N.
A raised to m plus n. Very good. What about this property? A raised to m divided by a raised to n. How we can write this thing?
Sir, A raised to minus N.
See, here it is written as a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Okay, it's a division, not a slash.
Right.
So tell me.
Sir, A raised to M minus N होगा.
Very good.
Because divide.
Very good. A raised to m, and if you take this term in the numerator, its power will become minus. Okay, so since here the bases are same, as you can see, here also the bases were same, that's why we can add the powers, right? So here also the bases are same, that's why a raised to m minus n. Okay. Third property.
Yes, sir.
A raised to m raised to n. Okay. So what will be the answer of this thing? A raised to m raised to n. A to the power m to the power n. It will be what?
Sir, A raised to M into N.
Very good. Fourth property. A raised to minus n. We can write it as 1 by a raised to n, right? Also we can write it as 1 by a raised to n. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Let's discuss the fifth one. A raised to m multiplied by b raised to n. So here, as you can see, the bases are different, right? But the exponents are equal. That means we can write it as AB raised to m. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sixth one, A raised to m divided by B raised to m. So this will become, you can take this term into the numerator, right? So it will become B raised to minus m. So finally, we can write it as what? Hmm? We can just
Sir,
write it as A by B raised to m, right? Nothing else. Whole to the power m. Okay. Seventh one. If this, let's say, A raised to m is equal to B raised to m. So what we can say about A and B from this condition is that A and B are equal, right? That means the bases are same, yes or no? If A raised to m is equal to B raised to m, then the bases are equal. That means A is equal to
yes.
B. Eighth one, A raised to m is equal to A raised to m. Let's say this condition is given. That means what? Here the bases are same, but the exponents are different, right? So since the bases are same, we can say that m is equal to m. Understood? That means exponents are also equal. Powers are also equal. Are you getting my point?
सर पावर्स कैसे सेम हो जाएंगे?
यहाँ पे बेसिस सेम है ना, दैट्स वाई बेसिस यहाँ पे सेम है,
हाँ ओके राइट सर.
दैट्स वाई. अब नाइन्थ प्रॉपर्टी, anything raised to 0 is 1. Okay, you must remember this thing. A raised to 0 is 1. How it is 1? So for example, let's say A is having a power m. So we can write A raised to 0 as m minus m. Yes or no? Hello? Right?
Yes sir.
We can also
Yes,
write
sir.
it as A raised to m divided by A raised to m. Yes or no? That gives us 1. Understood?
Yes sir.
10th property. Anything raised to infinite is infinite, okay? Except 0. Alright?
Yes sir.
So let's jump to the questions, okay? Question 1. Exercise 2.1. Yes or no? 81 divided by 16 raised to minus 3 by 4. What will be its answer? Using the properties. So first of all, try to make the powers positive, okay?
Sir, we'll reciprocate it. 16 by 81.
Very good.
4. 4 by 3.
So it will become 81 raised to 3 by 4, okay? Not 4 by 3.
Right.
Okay, now always try to solve first the fractional power, okay? We can deal with the integer power later. Yes or no? So we can write this 16 as what?
2 raised to 4.
81 as 3 raised to 4 raised to 3 by 4, right? So we know that we can write 2 by 3 raised to
2
4.
by 3 raised to 4 into 3 by 4.
We can cancel out these 4's. We'll end up with 2 cube divided by 3 cube, right? That gives us how much?
8 by 27.
So that is our answer, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Let's solve another question. Question number 2. This type of question is given 161 divided by 64. Okay, this is 1 raised to minus 2 by 3. So how we are gonna solve this question? First of all, write this thing in simple form. Okay, so it will become 125 by 64, right? Raised to minus 2 by 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now reciprocate. It will be and 64. We can write 64 as 4 cube. Yes or no? And 125 as 5 cube. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
We can practically cancel out these three, right?
Yes, sir.
So it will
So
come out to be 4
16
square by
by
5 square. Yes or no?
16. Yes, sir.
That's the answer. Good.
Yes, sir.
Let's solve question number 3. Sorry, 2. 3a divided by b raised to minus 1 plus 2b divided by a raised to minus 1. So tell me how we are going to solve this question. Glory. Yes.
So will it be b raised to b upon 3 by 4? So it will be 3ab plus 2ab.
Very good. Because we can write b inverse as 1 by b, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
a inverse as 1 by a. And we know
Right.
that denominator's denominator goes to numerator, right?
Yes, sir.
It will become 3ab plus 2ab.
Yes,
That
sir.
means 5ab. That is our answer. Good.
Yes, sir.
Number 2. Solve this thing. 5 raised to 0 multiplied by 4 raised to minus 1 plus 8 raised to 1 by 3. Tell me how to solve this question.
So it will be 1 into 1 by 4 into 8 raised to 1 by 3.
This is a plus sign, okay? So we need to write
Plus.
2 cube raised to 1 by 3, right? We can write 8 as
Yes.
2 cube. Now these
Right,
3
sir.
will cancel out each other.
Yes.
It will be 1 by 4 plus 2, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
That will be how much?
That so 9 by 4.
Very good. Let's move on to next question. Try this one. 0.027 raised to minus 1 by 3. You can write down later on, okay? First, tell me what to do in this case.
So first, we'll make this. So first we can write this as 27 into 10 raised to minus 3.
Very good. Why minus 3? Because after this point, there are 3 terms, right? That's why 10
Yes,
raised
sir.
to minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Raised to 1 by 3. Now we can allot this power
So
to
we
both
can,
of the term, right?
so we can also write 27 as, okay, right. Yes, sir.
3 raised to 3 cube
3.
raised to 1 by 3, right? This is 10
Yes,
raised
sir.
to minus 1. So it will be 3 plus 10 raised to minus 1. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. 3 plus 1 by 10.
That is 3 plus 0.1. That is 3.1. Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's take another question. Are you having fun? while solving these
Sir,
questions? You having
sir,
fun solving these questions or what?
sir, they're easy. Yes, sir.
Yes, of course there is. 2 raised to minus 2 raised to 1 half. Try to solve this question. Tell me what to do in this case. First of all, what we are going to do in this case? Tell me. This is simply this way, okay? 8 raised to minus 4 by 3 divided by 2 raised to minus. Yes, so we can write it as 8 raised to minus 4 by 3 multiplied by 2 square. Now we can write it as, now we can get rid of this 8. So we need to write this 8 in terms of 2. So it will become 2 cube raised to minus 4 by 3 multiplied by 2 square. So this 3, this power will cancel out. So we'll end up with 2 raised to minus 4 multiplied by 2 square. This root is nothing but 1 by 2 power. So if we multiply it with both these terms, so it will become this thing, right? So 2
Yes, sir.
is a 4, 2 cancels out, so it will be 2 raised to minus 2 multiplied by 2. That is basically 2 by 2 square. That gives us 1 by 2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now solve this question. 9 raised to 5 by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 5 raised to 0 minus 1 by 81 raised to minus half. Tell me how to solve this question. Gauri, how to solve this question? Hmm?
So first we'll write 9 as 3 raised to 2 into 5 by 2.
Raised to 5 by 2, right? Minus 5
Yes,
raised to 0 means 1, right?
1, 3.
And since
Yes, sir.
there is this negative power, we can,
81 raised to 1 by 2. So which is basically 9 raised to 2.
so this becomes 3 raised to 5 minus 3, this becomes 9
9.
square, right?
So
So
9
3
हो
raised
जाएगा.
to 5
Yes,
minus 3
3.
minus 9, which
Yes,
will be
sir.
how much?
So it will be
3 raised to 5 minus 12.
273 minus 12.
That will be
260.
good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last question. Under root 2 square multiplied by fourth root of 256 divided by cube root of 64 minus half raised to minus c. So how to solve this question? Again, you can get rid of this root with 2, right? So it will
Yes,
be 2
sir.
multiplied by fourth root of 256. What is 256? We can write down 256 as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, right?
Sir, no, sir.
Yes, of course.
फिर
No.
256
Sorry. No.
तो 6 होगा ना.
So
It's either 6 or 8.
256. How to write 256? It's a power. See, what is 16 square? Hmm?
Sir,
Yes, it is 6. 16 multiplied by 16 is 256, right? So that
Yes, sir.
means we can write 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, yes or no?
Yes,
As
sir.
256. So this
4
is
is
simply
4.
4 raised to 4 raised to 1 by 4 upon
वो भी cancel.
cube root of 64. 4
Sir,
4 4,
4.
right?
Yes, sir.
1 by 3. Minus half raised to minus 2, that means 2 raised to 2, right? Now
Yes,
that
sir.
will give us what? First of all, these power will
There will
cancel
be,
out.
yes,
This will
sir.
be 8 by 4 minus
There will be
4.
2 minus 4 minus 2.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Should we take one more question? Hmm?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Try to solve this thing. 3 raised to minus 6 by 7 multiplied by 4 raised to minus 3 by 7 multiplied by 9 raised to 3 by 7 multiplied by 2 raised to 6 by 7 divide by 2 square plus 2 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to minus 2. So how to solve this thing? Gori, quickly. What to do in this case? So we can write this 9 as 3 square, right?
Yes, sir.
So 3 raised to minus 6 by 7 multiplied by, we can write this 4 as 2 square, right? And this 9 as 3 square. 2 raised to 6 by 7. Divide by 2 square is 4. 2 raised to 0 is 1. And 2 raised to minus 2 is what? 1 by 4, right? Yes or no? So this is basically
Yes.
same, right? This is 3 raised to 6 by 7. Yes or no? Because these 3 gets multiplied
Yes.
with 2. So it will be 6 by 7. Here it is minus 6 by 7. They will cancel out each other. Yes or no?
Yes,
And
sir.
these two will cancel out each other. So ultimately we'll
Yes.
end up with this thing. 1 by
Yes, sir.
1 by 5 plus 1 by 4, right? That gives us 4 by 21.
Understand. Yes, sir.
Good.